When I started thinking about what's important to me, on my 50th birthday, I decided to write a book for my two boys. And I wrote it, and it's called 50 Words. And the premise is pretty simple. If I could only pass 50 words on to my two sons or onto the next generation, which words would they be, and why did I pick those words? And it was really an exercise for me to think about what's important in my life and what's important when we think about where the world is going and how we save our planet from all the silly things that we do to our planet. And after I wrote the book, a lot of people asked me about it, and I had a lot of conversations with people about it, and people start saying, you know, I'd like to write a book like that, or I'd love to work with my kids on a book like that. And you know, it's a simple thing. It's just, you know, every page is a word and what it means to me. And if I wrote it again now, it would probably be a little different because our views change. That sort of led to the idea that it'd be a great thing for kids to do. You know, I'm a big believer in education, and I think kids, just like adults in business and elsewhere, need to think about what's important to them and hold those values dear and talk about them amongst themselves and with their families and people they love. And so I wrote this lesson plan, a homework assignment that school kids can do in class, that teachers can assign in class, and it's basically creating a little book, a 10-word book, that is exactly that, for you to pick the 10 words that really matter to you and write something about it, and hopefully you'll talk about it with your colleagues, with your classmates, with your parents and grandparents. And if you send me the project after you're done, I'll post it on my 50 Words website, on my Facebook, and we'll start creating a global community of words that matter and get a conversation going amongst all of us. And if we can do that, I'll be a pretty happy guy.